Hi guys, it's me Jack Whiting, back for another YouTube review, and today I've got my BMX bike check. So I've still got the same bars as usual. I've got, starting at the top, I've got chrome bars, I've got black ODI long neck grips, white ODI bar ends, my brake. Going down to the bottom, got blue peg at the side. There, blue peg. That's the chain noise. That's the chain sound. Got a white XTC, 50 quid. Blue peg at the front. And that's my BMX check 2015. Before you go, I'm just going to tell you my sponsors real quick. Bones, BMX, Corby Struct, stickers, SK8 skateboards, Wheelfire BMX, Spitfire. I'm sponsored by all my other sponsors. XC, Skate Park, Pioneer Skate Park, Bars, and Scuff Wheels. So I'll see you then, guys. Peace.